This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 323 BHDSCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Java interior, sleeps 10, spare tire kit, air conditioning, oven, water heater, stove-top burner, external shower, awning, skylight, microwave, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 323 BHDSCK is 8,089 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.